Hi students, a pleasant surprise from one of our fellow classmates was a tablature version and also the notation of Stairway to Heaven for ukulele. And if you'll notice, that again, the numbers are the frets. And from left to right, you see the chords that you're going to be using. And then A minor, of course, and then A minor major 7th, and then A minor 7th, and we know D, and we know F, and we know G, and that goes immediately within an eighth note to an A minor. Now the pitches, we know the tune to Stairway to Heaven. And then you know the chords and the strings. So if you look at the first note, now I have a low G, so it's going to sound a little bit different than what you're expecting. But very slowly, as I play this, I would just put my finger on the A string, then that A major 7th. I would pull the outer strings together and then pluck the middle strings, and then the two outer strings, now it's an A minor 7th. Now I'd play a D, but I'd pluck the outer strings, now the inner strings, now an F, now, the last two chords there were simultaneously, I call it like a la harp. And then on the high A string, it repeats. So I start with the A minor. Let me do that again very slowly. So it's all right, have fun with